Need to turn Google Play Protect on or off. Follow this simple step-by-step guide to adjust your Android security settings safely and in just a few tabs. Opening the Google Play Store. Once the app opens, tap your profile picture in the upper right corner of the screen. This opens your account menu, where you'll find several options related to your Google Play settings. Next, tap Play Protect. You'll now see the Play Protect dashboard, which displays your device's current security status and the date of the last app scan. From this screen, tap the settings gear icon in the top right corner. You'll find the option labeled Scan Apps with Play Protect. Simply tap the toggle switch to turn this feature on or off, depending on your preference. If you're turning Play Protect off, Android will display a warning explaining that your device may become more vulnerable to harmful apps. Read the message carefully, then tap Turn Off if you're sure you want to continue. On some Android devices, you'll also be asked to verify your identity by entering your PIN, password, or unlocking pattern before the change is applied. Keep in mind that disabling Play Protect is generally not recommended unless you have a specific reason, such as testing an app from a trusted source. For everyday use, leaving it enabled provides an extra layer of protection by scanning installed apps and checking for potential security threats in the background. You're all set. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more quick Android tutorials and helpful tech guides.